Let's make fall/winter soup that supports weight loss. Do you know that healthy eating is the best way to lose weight? And let me tell you, when it comes to being overweight, I know what it means. This is how I used to be. That's me. And today, this is how I am, looking cute. And I did all that with just foods, no gym membership, no pills, no surgery. And let me tell you, I put all those healthy recipe into my cookbook. And introducing to you my weight loss cookbook. And let me tell you, those foods are not just healthy, they are very delicious. And they are all there to support your health and help you lose weight. And if you are wondering what am I going to eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, they are there in the book. So we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and snacks, and you're going to enjoy them. And it will surely help support weight loss. And I believe in reducing sugar and still enjoying your dessert and also your snacks. Just get a copy. It is available on Amazon, and let me know your review after buying the book and you will not be disappointed. So go get a copy. Back to the video. This soup is loaded with ingredients that is healthy and it supports the body in every way, including helping you to lose weight. I
had this overnight and I lost 3 pounds. So this is very, very helpful when you are trying to lose weight, and it supports the overall health of your body. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and it is delicious too.